Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ujani Chatterjee, and today I am going to give a short presentation about mutation, a threat to human life. Presentation will be in 5 parts. I will go gradually. Firstly, I will talk about what is mutation. The mutation word mainly comes from mutate, which means change in one form to another. In genetics, actually change happen at DNA. DNA is our constitution of gene. DNA actually codes for RNA, which codes protein afterward. Finally, which in turn express together in living organisms. Ultimate results of mutated DNA refers in organisms. So, mutation is any kind of change in DNA that may or may not be heritable, mainly any type of change in nucleotide of DNA or change in chromosome. Then, are mutations are helpful or harmful? Mutations happen regularly. It has a large effect in human body. When we heard the mutation, most of the time we think of something bad or wrong because mutation ultimately leads to deleterious effect onto the organisms or cell. It's not giving any positive effect most of the time. Mutations adverse effect which will create some problems in organisms. In some cases it does give positive effect and it helps natural selection, evolution, etc. Secondly, I am showing the modern classification of mutation in Venn diagram. Mutation mainly divided into two main parts, one chromosomal mutation and another point mutation. Chromosomal mutation further divided in two parts, chromosomal aberration and numerical changes in chromosome number. Chromosomal aberration mainly causes with deletion, duplication, inversion and translocation. In other sides, numerical changes in chromosome numbers are divided into two subparts, euploidy and aneuploidy. On the other main part, point mutation is divided into 5 parts. First, substitution mutation, which further divided into transversion and transition. Second, missense mutation, which further divided natural and silent mutation. Third, nonsense mutation. Fourth, frame shift mutation. And last or fifth, suppression mutation. Thirdly, I am talking about the causes of mutation. Mutations happen mainly for two reasons. One, DNA fails to copy accurately. That means when a cell divides, it makes a copy of its DNA and sometimes the copy is not quite perfect. That's small difference from original DNA sequences. In this figure, the original base is replaced by another base which causes the mutation. Second, external influences can create mutations. That means mutations can also be caused by specific mutagens like UV ray, X-ray, etc. These agents cause the DNA to break down. When the cell repairs the DNA, it might not do a perfect job of repair. So the cell would end up with DNA slightly different than the original DNA, which causes mutation. Then I will enter the topic adverse effect of mutation. Mutation always happens many kind of diseases or syndrome. And here I am discussing some harmful diseases. First, cancer. Cancer occurs due to mutation in single gene. This mutation happens many may 50 P53 gene or proto-oncogene. Actually, P53 gene used for cell cycle and tumor suppression, but mutated form of P53 gene do not work perfectly, so the ability of tumor suppression is inactive and not able to produce proteins that regulate cell cycle, so tumor produced. On the other cases, proto-oncogene is mutated and formed active oncogene which causes cancer. This disease mainly grows in several parts of human body. When it grows in blood cells, so it's called leukemia. When it grows in skin or tissue in organs such as liver or kidneys, it's called carcinoma, etc. It shows many bad symptoms like bleeding or bruising, bloody stools, eating problems, neurological problems, weight gain or loss, etc. This disease is mostly painful. This disease may or may not be curable. So it's very harmful to human life. Next, I will discuss progeria. Progeria is an extremely rare disease. It's found in children. A single gene mutation is responsible for progeria, mainly point mutation. This gene is lamin A. When mutation occurs in lamin A gene, an abnormal form of protein progeria is produced and makes cell unstable. So the main defect is found in the nucleus. Progeria shows many typical symptoms like limited growth and short stature, lack of body fat and muscle, lack of hair including eyelashes, eyebrows, stiffness in joints, strokes, a head that is large with the body, etc. Children who suffered from the diseases are died commonly age of 13. In some cases, age is 20. Death due to heart attack in this disease. So it's very harmful in the human life. Third, Huntington's disease. Huntington's disease is rare. This disease is due to mutation in chromosome number 4. Huntington's disease symptoms can develop at any time, but they often appear when people are in 30s or 40s. In this age, symptoms are movement disorder, muscle problems, slow eye movements, etc. Connective disorder, lack of impulsive control, lack of awareness of own behaviors, and physical disorders, etc. If this disorder develops before age 20, it's called juvenile Huntington diseases. In juvenile stage, the behavioral and physical changes are common. This disorder ultimately increases the risk of suicide, so it's also harmful to human life. Then I will discuss sickle cell disease. This disease mainly occurs due to point mutation. The shape of red blood cells turn into sickle shape for mutation. Normally, the flexible round red blood cells move easily through blood vessels. In sickle cell anemia, the rigid sticky cells can get stuck in small blood vessels, so block blood flow and oxygen to parts of body. Many problems are arised, which are anemia, episodes of pain, swelling of hands and feet, frequent infections, delayed growth or puberty, vision problems, etc. Ultimately, stroke, organ damage, blindness, acute chest syndromes are happened. So it always harmful to human. Besides this, there are many other diseases or syndromes which may also have an impact on human body, like Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, Xenoderma pigmentosum, Proteus syndrome, etc. Fifth, conclusion. I tried to describe some harmful diseases which occur due to mutation. These diseases may or may not be curable. When a patient who is going through third stage of cancer, chances of surviving are very less. In some cases, cancer shows lethal effect. Besides cancer, progeria, Huntington's, sickle cell diseases also show lethal effect. So these diseases very harmful to human life. However, exceptions are always present in any cases. There are some mutations which are very much useful to us, such as removal of apolipoprotein, increasing bone density, malaria resistance, tetrachromatic vision, etc. Its reference. This slide concluding my presentation. Thank you all of your participation. Thank you.